How you doing? Welcome back. This is Winder's Ranger. We're back at the Magic Kingdom. Going to go in and check out the fall decorations. Looks like the train station is out from behind the scrim. That's pretty cool. So maybe we'll go check out the other side of it, see what it looks like. I doubt that we can go up on the platform because the trains still aren't running, but we'll see how far we can get. Meantime, let's head on in the park and see what we can see. Here we go. Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. Got a nice new fresh coat of paint. Kind of wish we could go up on the platform, but it's still roped off. I guess they're still doing the character shows. I don't know exactly what you call them. They're not really meet and greets, but anyway, I guess it'll be open hopefully soon. Maybe by October 1st. I don't know. We'll see. We got a load of people here in front of the stack of pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns, but you get the idea. They got the fall bunting hanging off the buildings. That's pretty nice. And of course the Mickey lantern wreaths, I guess you call them, on the lampposts. Pretty standard from the last several years anyway. Just walking in here, the characters are coming down on the trolley, so we'll stop and watch them go by. The Rabbit and Piglet, Eeyore and Pooh, and Tigger bringing up the rear. Crystal Palace is looking pretty nice. It's got decorations on the outside. I don't remember that last year. Thinking that might be a new addition. Also heard that they're bringing back the buffets. I think Crystal Palace is one of them. I think Trails End buffet is also back. It's not PJ's anymore as far as I know. I haven't been over there, but there's a couple other ones. I can't remember which ones exactly, but they I think they're bringing them back in stages, so they're not all back, but another step back to normal life, I hope. It looks like the summer crowds are pretty well over for the year, so let's hit Pirates of the Caribbean. I think the wait time's pretty low, so we'll hit that and then maybe go over to Big Thunder Mountain. We haven't done that in a while. Here we go. Sweet. Basically a walk-on. Sign said 15-minute wait, but it wasn't that long at all. I don't think I waited for the people in the corral to get on the boat in front of me, but no wait. So pretty sweet. He ain't talking, so he's going to take a swim with Davy Jones.
In for a 10.
10? I'll give you 20 for the rock.
This guy with all the cats and the other one with all the pigs. Two of my favorite scenes in here. They actually added the smell of alcohol or rum when you go by this guy here. Right there, it's kind of a whiskey smell to it. The pigs are even oinking to the sound of the song. And there's old Dirtyfoot. Well, as usual, I guess they didn't capture Jack Sparrow because there he sits amidst all the gold and booty. Well, they got some scaffolding up. The ride's still open, but I guess this is, I think, the start of the reimagining of Splash Mountain. I don't know. I heard something a couple of weeks ago. I think they were saying that estimating the revamp or the reimagination of this ride to take longer than they originally thought. or they pushed it back longer or further than they originally thought. I can't remember which one of the two, but anyway, I got scaffolding up anyhow.
Any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
They say if you got gallstones, this is the ride to ride. Still dinosaur? Ah! Well, there you have it. Big Thunder Mountain in the bag. Pirates of the Caribbean also done. So let's head over to maybe Haunted Mansion, see what the wait time is on that. I think when I checked a minute ago it was like a half hour. So this was listed at 20 minutes. I think we were maybe 5 minutes getting from the start of the standby line to actually getting on. So let's head over to Haunted Mansion.
Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still. Our tour begins here in this gallery for guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? This chamber has no windows and no doors. Chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Sensitive.
Wait time still said it was 30 minutes. I would say it was probably closer to maybe 10 minutes. Oh, picture time.
Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions of ghost stories. More by here in this book.
Thought we'd come down here to Fantasyland Station, take a look at the railroad bed. You can see there's no tracks here right now, but it looks like it's been reballasted. In other words, they put new gravel down, and they got some railroad ties laying here, so I guess they're getting ready to do something. I don't know, I think they had to realign the tracks slightly between here and say the Carousel of Progress, or this side of Space Mountain there, because the construction of Tron and the pillars that they've got here, it's got to go between those pillars, so I don't know exactly the route that it's going to take, but I don't know, nothing yet. There's no word yet on when it's going to be ready. It probably won't take them very long to lay the track. You know, how soon, once the track is laid, they'd start running trains, I'm not sure, but I've heard rumors that trains were seen anyway in the park, but not loading guests. I guess they were just maybe testing or reorienting train crews, but can't see if the track, how far the track comes up. They'd need so much room because the switch is back there that goes to the back shops where the monorail trains and steam trains and all go. So they would need enough room this side of the switch to get a locomotive at least, or a locomotive and a couple of cars or whatever they were allegedly testing with, to be able to back down the other part of the loop that goes around the back side of the park here. So I don't know. Not sure that's true or not. I didn't see any video or pictures. I would think if somebody actually saw that, there'd be a video floating around, but haven't seen it. So still waiting. No word. I don't know. Hopefully it'll be soon, but still waiting.
Pirates are called pirates. And they just are. It's a pirate's favorite restaurant. Sorry.
So that's going to do it for us for today. A couple of things I wanted to talk about. Disney announced the other day that they're doing away with the old Fast Pass system, and they're bringing in a new Fast Pass system that they call Genie Plus and Lightning Lane, I think. Genie Plus.
So what'll it be, Master?
The way I understand it, I think it's kind of universally being referred to as the Fast Pass system, but it's the Lightning Lane, I think, is the official Fast Pass system, the way I understand it. Genie Plus is supposed to...
almost. There are a few provisos, a couple of quid pro quo.
Work off of the My Disney Experience app. Hopefully it works a little bit better than the My Disney Experience app, to be quite honest. The app doesn't work bad, but it's got some bugs and quirks in it that make it a little not user-friendly, I guess we'd say. Anyway, Genie Plus is supposed to...
Rule number one, I can't kill anybody.
Yeah, so don't ask.
Follow where you are in the park and anticipate short wait times, and suggest, you know, this ride is a short wait time or that ride is a short wait time if you want to do that.
Rule number two, I can't make anybody fall in love with anybody else. Mwah, you little punum there.
You can tell it and kind of set up a profile of what types of theming or characters that you like in the park, princesses and things like that, and it's supposed to suggest things that you might like and try to understand where you want to go as far as your experience in the park.
Rule number three,
I can't bring people back from the dead. It's not a pretty picture. I don't like doing it.
I don't think that has anything to do with the Fast Pass, other than the Lightning Lane, I believe, is accessed through the Genie Plus.
Other than that, you got it.
The Lightning Lane, the way that I understand it, I don't know a whole lot about it yet, but it sounds like you're able to make one Fast Pass reservation at a time, and to do that, I think that that's a $15 charge per person per day in the park. So how that's going to work with like annual pass holders and people that buy a pass for like 4 days or 3 days or whatever, I guess you can just go into the Genie Plus or My Disney Experience and probably go to a Lightning Lane feature or function and just log into that and then pay, you know, your $15 and then start making Fast Pass reservations, I guess. It's supposed to all be available October 1st, which will be the 50th anniversary. Stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up. That helps out a lot. And subscribe down below. That'll keep you up to date on future videos and updates and information that I have that I can find for the... Alright, so it's a little bit of bonus footage. I'm going to take a little bit of a detour across Central Florida here. Got a dirt road. This is called Schofield Road. takes you through some orange groves and stuff. I thought we would ride through there and get some video of that before they disappear. And there's also a surprise up here. I don't know if it's still there in person, but it is on the satellite photo. So we'll pull up there and I'll tell you a little bit more about that when we get there. So stay tuned. Well, it looks like the feature's gone, judging by the big pile of dirt and the construction equipment. Not real sure what the whole story is on this feature. I think there's one other YouTuber who's pretty well known in the Disney circle anyway, has been out here. I don't know what the whole story is, if this was Disney owned or not. I'll also include the satellite photo of what I'm talking about, but looks like it's gone now. I don't know, maybe some of it might be left in these trees here, but it's too big of a feature to really be able to get this, a good view of it from ground level with a camera. If I had my drone, we could put the drone up, maybe take a look, but I don't have it with me today. I really wasn't planning on coming out here, but anyway, let's continue our journey. Yeah, so this grove here on the left, I think that's the grove I was talking about. Doesn't look quite like I remember it, but I would go out on a limb and say that that grove is no longer being harvested. So you see how tall the grass is between the trees, and the trees look kind of scraggly looking. Given that the construction on the right hand side there, I would venture to say this grove probably is not long for this life. So yeah, I just passed a sign there. It said 243 acres here on the left hand side for sale, development opportunity. So yeah, I'd say that's going to probably be a housing development in the next 5 years. So there you go. Get a video of it now while it's still here. Show you what it used to look like anyway. Well, we're going to be turning off this dirt road to Highway 27. You see those cars go by there. So I'm going to pull over, shut my camera off, or sure, put my camera away, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.